Come and see this meticulously maintained, move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2-bath, standalone Turnpointe Woods Senior Condominium, a 55 and over community. Enjoy low-maintenance life in this condominium designed for aging in place with 9-foot ceilings, wide hallways, and doorways. This condo has been freshly painted and features a bright sunroom and spacious kitchen with lots of cabinet space. The furnace was replaced in 2023 and a humidifier was added. The primary suite features a full bathroom and ample closet space. Other features include landscaping, solid hardwood cabinetry, electrical outlets in the crawl space, and a whole house generator. The 2-car garage includes storage space above with a pull-down ladder. The HOA fees are low at $125 a month and include both lawn service and snow removal. Additional amenities include the community center, added a few years ago, available to Turnpointe Woods owners at no charge. Enjoy doing more of what you love with the ease of living and peace of mind of Turnpointe Woods. Call Amy Allison to learn more.